Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a product that promises to tackle one of the most common foot issues: dry, cracked heels. Enter the Ebanel Urea Cream 40% plus salicylic acid 2%. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk ingredients. This cream boasts a potent combination of 40% urea and 2% salicylic acid, along with other nourishing components like shea butter, coconut oil, and hyaluronic acid. Together, they create a powerhouse formula designed to exfoliate, soften, and repair even the toughest skin. Now, onto the application process. The cream is easy to apply, with a thick consistency that spreads smoothly over the skin. Users are advised to apply it twice a day on cleansed skin for best results. And don't worry, despite its powerful ingredients, it's suitable for all skin types. So, what can you expect from using this cream? Well, according to satisfied users, the results speak for themselves. Many have reported significant improvements in just a matter of days. Dry, rough skin becomes noticeably softer and smoother, while cracks and calluses begin to fade away. Before you rush out to grab a jar, here are a few tips to make the most of this product. Firstly, consistency is key. Make sure to use it regularly as directed to see the best results. Secondly, consider pairing it with a foot file for enhanced exfoliation. And finally, be patient. Healing takes time, but with the right product, you'll get there. And there you have it, folks. The Ebanel Urea Cream 40% plus salicylic acid 2% is a game changer for anyone dealing with dry, cracked heels. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay fabulous.